Great things rarely happen by accident. Good things happen by accident, like finding a $20 bill in an old purse, but the best things in life really do require work and planning. One thing that almost never happens by accident is wealth building. You need a plan. That's what I'm going to help you with today. I'm Terry, financial coach here at Dow Jones, and we have helped thousands of women build wealth faster than they imagined using the 6-step system that I'm going to share with you today. So be sure to stick around. But first, we publish new videos every Monday to help you build financial wellness. So hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified to make sure you don't ever miss out on any of our resources for creating an abundant future. And if you want to learn the secrets about how to grow your money, then be sure to check out our free masterclass. I'll leave a link for that in the description, but finish this video first. First, let's talk about a wealth plan. What exactly is a wealth plan? It's a financial or a wealth management plan that is your intentional plan for increasing your net wealth and achieving your financial goals. So why is a wealth plan important? I'm going to explain how to make a wealth plan in a minute, but first, in case you're on the fence, I want to go over some of the reasons why a wealth plan is important. For example, avoid short-term thinking. Our world encourages you to think short-term. You're bombarded by thousands of ads every single day, trying to persuade you to buy new shoes or join new streaming services or even upgrade your phone. By having an intentional wealth plan in place, you can avoid falling into the trap that jeopardizes your financial wellness. Next is having clear goals. A wealth plan helps you to define exactly what are your goals and then prioritize them, whether it's buying a home, saving for education, retirement, or maybe even starting a business. Having clear goals provides direction and purpose for your financial decisions. You can gain greater financial awareness. A wealth plan encourages you to assess your current financial situation, including your income, your expenses, your assets, and your liabilities. Then, this essential information will help you make informed decisions and take control of your financial well-being. You'll have faster financial progress also. When you have clear, defined goals and actionable steps, you start knocking them off your list faster than you expected. It can also provide financial peace of mind. Knowing that you have a structured plan in place can reduce stress and anxiety about your financial future. So let's talk about exactly how do you make a wealth plan. First, you need to know your why. Building wealth is going to require you to do things differently, and that change can be uncomfortable. Having a very clear picture of your why will help you stay motivated and focused when things get tough. Maybe your why is being able to afford more opportunities that make you excited, like traveling, not living in fear of the future. Maybe it's wanting to build a better future for your family. Write down 3 reasons why building wealth is important to you and keep them in a place that is easily accessible. Maybe it's on your desk or right next to your computer monitor. Next up is assessing your current financial situation. I want you to take a close look at your current financial situation, including your income, your expenses, your assets, and your liabilities. Understanding where you stand financially is essential for creating an effective wealth plan. Now, the next few steps are actually part of our curriculum, which is the Wealth Building Accelerator course. We dive a lot deeper in the course, but these next few steps should give you an idea of our system. Number 3 is creating a spending plan. I know that I've talked about this before, but I've learned the hard way that when you do not have a plan for how you're going to spend and save your money, it typically ends up in somebody else's pocket. The first step of setting up a spending plan is to create a budget. For simplicity's sake, we recommend the 50-30-20, which means no more than 50% of your monthly income is spent on needs like groceries and transportation, housing. 30% would be on wants like a night out, and then at least 20% is savings. For a full video that goes into all of this, we will put that in the description. Next up is creating an income plan. By income plan, I mean a plan to increase the amount of money that you bring in every single month. This could mean launching a side hustle. We have a lot of videos on starting a side hustle. Or it could also be as simple as just asking for a raise or even finding a part-time job. If you're a freelancer, you can also raise your rates. We've got videos that help you navigate all of these things as well. Links to all those videos are also going to be in the description below. Number 5 is going to be create an investment plan. Okay, we all need to know how to passively grow our money. This could be as simple as putting money into a high-yield savings account or bumping up your retirement contributions. Or it could mean that you are diversifying your investment portfolio or seeking out ethical investments. There are so many different investing options and strategies, but I'm going to leave a link on some videos on easy investing strategies for beginners like dollar cost averaging and a few beginner-friendly investment vehicles in the description. All right, last up is number 6, which is to reassess and tweak your plan. Stay cognizant of your progress. Review your goals and your progress during your weekly money ritual. Remember that a wealth plan is a dynamic document that should evolve with your life and your financial circumstances. As you achieve different milestones and your priorities change, don't be afraid to tweak your plan. Unless you find a winning Powerball ticket on the sidewalk or turn out to be the long-lost heir to some family fortune, building wealth rarely happens by accident. It needs to be an intentional, strategic choice. I hope that this helps you on your wealth building journey. If you want to get your wealth building off to a strong start, be sure to check out our free masterclass. We'll give you the secrets you need to up-level your wealth building journey. The link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching.